One of the interesting things about generative AI in Salesforce is what all creative areas can you apply it to? So in this example, we are going to use generative AI to look at a user story and generate out test cases. And what we are doing is we have GPTfy running in the background. So I have a custom object called dev artifact, and it has a user story here. And it's got like a little bit of background on it, right? Just literally a few lines of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this generate test case button, which is firing a flow that is basically using a prompt in GPT-5. And the idea here of specifically using a flow is because I wanted to show the capabilities where you can basically bring in automation, weave in your prompts and things like that. So it looks like it's generated some test cases, and I'm going to hit done. And what you will see shortly is that I have these 4 test cases. What you're also starting to see is that it is starting to automatically generate out the test cases for each of these records that it created. So as I refresh, you will continue to see that it's just going to make a call asynchronously to each of these test cases and populate them. So let's go look at one of these things here. So I have a test case on verification of export functionality. And basically it has generated it based on what are the preconditions, what are the steps, and all of that. And the idea is how quickly can you get from your user story all the way to generation of test cases? You have the ability to just synchronize this information between your Jira and Salesforce. You can use adapter that Atlassian offers for Salesforce. You can use third-party Appexchange packages like PeakLogix to do this. So you have the opportunity to really combine these things and do very interesting stuff with it. Curious to hear what you think. Thank you so much.